Today I'm going to show you how to transform photos into stained glass effect in Adobe Photoshop. First, let's convert this background or subject layer into a smart object. Make sure foreground color is black. Now go to Filter. And choose Filter Gallery. Open the Texture folder. And select the stained glass. I'll make the cell size 30. The border thickness 3. And the light intensity 0. Then press OK. Let's go back to the filter. Stylize. And emboss. Make the angle 140 degrees. The height 2 pixels. And the amount 155%. Now right-click the Emboss Smart Filters and edit Smart Filter Blending options. Under the mode, select Overlay. Go to Filter. Noise. And add noise. Increase the amount all the way to 20%. Then press OK. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.